Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by launching Call of Duty, Ww2 on your console, and signing into your main account. This gives you access to multiplayer modes. Once the game loads, have the second controller ready, press A or X to join, and either sign into a second account or choose Guest. Make sure you set your display and HUD preferences to 16:9 split screen so both views render correctly. These steps avoid profile conflicts and ensure both players can access loadouts and progression immediately. Next, choose the mode. Multiplayer supports split screen in many playlists, but local play is safest for private matches. Public playlists sometimes limit split screen. Once in the lobby, assign which player is player 1 and player 2, select loadouts and divisions so you aren't duplicating gear unless you want to. Make sure to enable or mute split-screen voice chat depending on preference. Also adjust the second controller's sensitivity and aim assist so both players have fair and comfortable control during matches. Finally, start the match and confirm both screens render correctly and inputs are responsive. You should see independent HUDs and scoreboard entries. If you notice lag or stuttering, lower in-game graphics or display resolution, or restart the lobby and reconnect controllers. This often clears frame rate and input drop issues. If the second player cannot access content due to account/license restrictions, sign them out and use a guest profile or sign back in. This bypasses many entitlement conflicts and gets you playing quick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.